Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew, drone warfare. Reinvented, the power of AMP technology. In the constant race between offense and defense, a new kind of drone is emerging, one not armed with bombs or missiles, but with energy itself. These are drones equipped with AMP technology. Active microwave pulse systems, a revolutionary tool that turns the drone into a flying weapon of electronic disruption. Unlike conventional drones that rely on explosives, AMP-equipped drones unleash directed bursts of microwave energy. These pulses can disable enemy electronics, communication systems, and even missile guidance units. Without firing a single round, the effect is invisible but devastating. Radios go silent, radars go blind, and command networks collapse. The strength of this technology lies in its precision and non-kinetic power. A single drone can disable the control systems of vehicles, neutralize air defense radars, or even take down swarms of hostile drones by focusing energy instead of shrapnel. AMP drones can cripple an enemy's capabilities while minimizing physical destruction on the battlefield. Strategically, this changes everything. In future conflicts, AMP drones could serve as first-wave attackers, softening enemy defenses before traditional strikes. They could be deployed over critical infrastructure, disrupting power grids, communications, and surveillance without leaving behind debris or visible evidence. Against modern militaries, they offer an asymmetric advantage, defeating advanced weapons with invisible energy. But AMP technology also raises new challenges. Its effectiveness depends on power supply, range, and targeting accuracy. And adversaries will inevitably develop countermeasures. Yet, as history shows, the side that first adapts revolutionary technology often gains a decisive edge. For now, AMP drones remain at the frontier of research and deployment. But one truth is clear: the future battlefield will not only be shaped by speed, firepower, and stealth, but also by the silent, invisible strike of electromagnetic energy. The drone with AMP technology is more than a weapon. It is a game-changer, proving that in modern war, the most dangerous attacks may come not from what we see but from what we cannot see at all. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. Bear witness to the race for knowledge. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.